Hello everyone. Welcome to PlanArty's channel. Thank you for joining our detailed timesheet tutorial. Accessible from the menu, the detailed timesheet includes all the time tracking records made for your projects. Therefore, select one of your projects. Choose a time interval from the default ones, or set the custom range that you need. All the tracks related to the project in the established period will be displayed. Also, the totals are calculated both for each record and for the total selection. Any time tracking line is editable, and also can be cloned to initiate a similar time tracking. Moreover, in a record all data is editable, such as the time interval. In this case, the displayed totals will also be updated automatically. Export the detailed timesheet, and you may also attach it to the invoice for total transparency of the included costs. Track your time with PlanArty, and you'll automatically have these accurate detailed timesheets. Thank you for watching our tutorial.